Hi, I'm Grace Maddie, and I'm from Toronto, Canada. I'm in my second year of medical studies here at UMCH. And so being a Canadian citizen and like other international students here at the university, we are required to have a German study visa. This allows us to stay and study in Germany for the 6 years. What we advise you to do months in advance of starting your medical studies is to get started on this application. What you have to do is go to a nearby city where you can find a German embassy and get started with the process. You are required to have several documents ready, so therefore having that extra time before starting your studies will allow you to have a smooth transition into Germany. Now, you can apply to UMCH whether you've graduated from high school or you're about to graduate from high school. The main important thing is that at the end of your graduation, you'll have a high school diploma. And what do you have to do with this high school diploma? Well, you have to get it authenticated, notarized, and stamped by the Romanian consulate, also in your home city. And what you want to do is also give this a few months in order to complete the application, as it does take a while. Now, something I wish I knew before starting my studies here at UMCH, after being given as a Canadian a temporary German visa for 90 days, after arrival in Hamburg, I needed to come and complete the application. Now, something that they required was a blocked account. A blocked account, you might ask? I was confused about it too. Now, it's an account where you have to transfer about 11,000 euros into this account, which will be evenly distributed to you monthly. And so all this money will come back to you essentially. But what you have to realize is that this has to be completed in order to finally get your permanent resident card in Germany. Now, something else you need to know in order to complete your visa application after you have landed here in Hamburg is that you need a German health insurance. So be sure to sign up with one of the companies here in order to complete your application. Having an international health insurance sadly won't cover it. They do require a German health insurance. Now, if you have any other questions about admission or your documents, feel free to reach out to student admissions and they will be able to answer your questions. They can also help you to connect with a student from your home country to also be able to talk to them, get any of your questions answered, or just meet someone that also goes to UMCH from your home country.